In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can download and install fonts on your Windows 10 PC. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, if you're wanting to go ahead and download fonts, what I do recommend is obviously coming over to your browser and coming to a website called dafont.com. It's a totally free website and you can download any font you can see on here, and there's a lot of good ones and a lot of very popular ones, and some that, you know, the big YouTubers and things like that do use on this platform. All you need to do to download a font is literally click on download here at the bottom, and then if I go ahead and just minimize this a little bit and make it a bit smaller, I can then drag it onto my desktop, and this is what I like to do, and this is how I do it personally. All I need to do now is right click it and click on extract here, and what it will do is it will extract the font. So if you want to go ahead and install this, you can right click on this and click install here, or what you can do is you can right click and go to personalize and then come down to fonts, and then you can go ahead and drag in the font here. So just drag that in, and then what that will do is it will go ahead and install the font on your PC. So as you can see, the font Good Mood, the one that I've just downloaded, is now here. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.